Hi everyone, welcome to IFS Markets. I'm Laura. Today is the 22nd of July and we're talking about Tesla. We can see in sentiment analysis, people are feeling positive and subjectivity is 43%. In trend analysis, we can see the professionals at Trading Central are thinking that it may fall by 13.53%. Going to the chart, we can see they're saying short-term target 579. Again, this is a daily chart. And going down to the comment section, they're saying the RSI is below 50, the MACD is positive and below its signal line. The MACD must penetrate its zero line to expect further downside. Moreover, the stock is trading under the 20 days moving average and above the 50 days moving average. Below is a series of supports and resistances. I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to press the like and also don't forget to follow our social media, Facebook and YouTube. Until then, happy trading day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.